How to reset or recover Hotmail account password. So if you want to reset or recover your Hotmail account password, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Hotmail, and once you've searched, go for the first search, which is how to sign into Hotmail, and then here you will have sign in option. Click on sign in, and once you click on sign in, here you need to enter your email, and once you entered your email, click on next. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create one, and you can create your Microsoft account so that you can log into your Hotmail account. But if you already have an account, then enter your email address, click on next, and here if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password to reset or recover your password. Simply click on forgot password and then choose your email, or if you have added your phone number, then you can also choose your phone number, but I'll be choosing email, and then go for get code, and here you will receive a code to your email address that you have just entered. So open up your mail, and here you will have your Microsoft password reset code. So simply copy this code and paste it here, and then click on next. And after entering your code, now it will take you to reset your password. So now here you need to enter your new password on the first blank, and your new password must be at least 8 characters, and then it should be case sensitive. And after entering your password on the first blank, you need to re-enter your password on the next blank. And after entering your password twice, you need to click on next, and once you click on next, your password will be changed or your password will be reset. So that's it. That's how you reset or recover your Hotmail account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.